Hi, Pharmacist Brad White, coming from the compounding lab here in New Philadelphia, Ohio. And I wanted to share with you some of the devices that we use to dispense different creams and ointments. Oftentimes, if we do a diaper rash cream or some other type of topical cream in a larger volume that doesn't require special delivery amount for the medication, we'll put them in these EMP jars. And these EMP jars are pretty slick because they allow us to mix up the medication inside them and then dispense it directly to the patient. And one of the neat things about them is they have a bottom that you can push up on. So if you don't want to open the top and dig in and get all gooey with all the cream and ointment, you can actually use the device to help you dispense it in a way that's a little more elegant, if you will. So when you stick your thumb under here, you can push up on the bottom and the cream will come out the top. I have an example here in this little one with a red top on it, but we'll put sometimes this little adapter cap on top, and when you press up on the bottom, it'll give you a nice controlled amount of medication that you can pull out and then rub onto your skin in the affected area. So this is just one of the many devices and tools we have to help you get a custom medication delivered in a manner that which you need it. If you have questions about how we can be a resource for you here at the Medicine Center Pharmacy to solve a problem that you can't get solved by a commercial manufacturer, reach out to us, put a comment below, or just give us a call at the pharmacy. Medicine Center Pharmacy in New Philadelphia.